Okay, you can put us on the record now. This is the matter of Cole Lundquist. Chad Perot is present in the courtroom, and we're hopefully going to make an audio connection. You are Cole Lundquist?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Mr. Lundquist, is there a parent present with you?
No. I'm at one of my best friend's house.
I couldn't, you broke up. Say it again.
I'm at one of my best friend's house.
Do we have a phone number for a parent?
Yeah.
Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Three
8380.
And whose number is that?
Elizabeth Harr, mother.
Spell the last name.
Harr.
All right, I'm going to try to get your mother on the phone.
Okay.
Do you know that she was informed of the hearing?
She was spoke to her last week and indicate.
Probably
Please
Please leave your
sleeping from
message for 51739283880.
This is Judge LaFlamme calling from the courtroom. Hopefully I've reached Elizabeth Harr. Your son, Cole, is in front of me today on a preliminary inquiry for a petition that has been filed against him, and you have the right to participate. Since you're not available and not here, I guess we're going to have to proceed without you. Thank you. Okay, anything prohibiting me from proceeding without a parent?
Not that I'm aware of, no.
You've done it before.
We have.
Okay,
And he's 17 at this point.
all right. Okay, so I made an attempt to reach your mother, and we're going to go forward. All right, so Cole, you have been charged in the petition with domestic violence. I'm going to read the petition to you. The petition states that contrary to the provisions of statute, on or about February 9th, 2021, at Jackson County, Michigan, that you, contrary to law, did make an assault or an assault and battery upon Carissa Fry, an individual with whom you had a dating relationship contrary to law.
Correct.
This is a misdemeanor, carries a penalty of up to 93 days in jail and or a fine of up to $500. A consecutive sentence may be imposed if the assault was committed in a place of confinement. I don't think that's the case, is it?
No.
Okay. Do you understand the charge that you're facing?
Yes.
Mr. Perro, any reason that this matter shouldn't proceed to pretrial and trial adjudication?
No reason why I shouldn't.
All right. So, Cole, I need to advise you that you do have a right to an attorney. Do you wish to have the court appoint an attorney to represent you in this matter? It may have already happened.
Been appointed one because it was a domestic violence, so yes, Matt Hotchkiss.
All right, so I've just been educated. Mr. Matt Hotchkiss has been appointed to represent you because this is a charge of domestic violence, and there's an automatic appointment of counsel when it involves domestic violence. You have, in addition to your right to an attorney, you have the right to a trial by a judge or a jury on the allegations in the petition. That's what I just read to you. And normally a referee would be assigned, but in this case, I'm actually going to handle the case myself. I need to advise you of your privilege against self-incrimination. Any statement that you make may be used against you, but you're not required to testify, and your failure to testify cannot be used against you. On the other hand, anything you do say can be used against you. The court rule requires that I give you an opportunity to deny or otherwise plead to the allegations. I'm going to recommend that you not say anything until you have an opportunity to talk to your attorney. Notwithstanding that advice, is there something you wanted to say? And again, I'm advising you not to say anything.
No, I don't want to say nothing.
Okay. The court is going to authorize the petition. I am going to schedule this matter in front of me. What did I do with that note? I must have left it on my desk. What did I say?
3:25.
March 25th,
9 a.m.
so Thursday at 9 a.m. And at that
Okay.
point, your attorney will be present and you'll have an opportunity to consult with him.
Okay.
Uh,
Is this over the phone as well?
Yes, it'll be the same procedure.
Okay.
And your attorney will call in as well, but I have the ability to put the two of you in a private meeting room where you can have a confidential conversation and have free opportunity to talk to him and ask him questions.
Okay.
All right. Now I know you're not asking for him to be detained, correct?
And
What would be the conditions of the release?
thank you. I spoke with Mom last week. Sounds like some issues are being addressed. I know he's struggling in school and he's on a waiting list for in-person schooling. So I'd asked for him to participate in school daily, whatever that plan is, whether that's an online or an in-person. 9 p.m. curfew unless he's working because he does have a job, and no assault or aggressive behavior.
All right, I wanted to make sure you heard that. The recommendations are that you attend school daily, whether it's in person or online, but whatever course you take, you have to be engaged in school daily. You're going to have a 9 p.m. curfew, except when you're working. If you're required to work beyond 9 p.m., you just have to travel straight from work home. You can't be anywhere else, or you'd be in danger of violating your curfew. And you are required not to engage in any assaultive or aggressive behavior. If you were to violate any of the terms of your release, you could very well be picked up and detained at the youth center. Did you have any questions for me today, Cole?
No, sir.
All right. All right. Very good. Have a good day.